Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Another very nice movement here, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day, so certainly some updates need to be done. I know I did this video last week at some point, but good to see that the price is continuing to chug along here. So first area to talk about is what I would call the ideal level of support right here at 13 cents. And 13 is going to be the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Definitely staying above the 13-cent mark. Now, if the price were to drop below there, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay above 13 cents, that would be a huge sign of strength. Next level of support to keep an eye on, and more so kind of from the overarching perspective, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So the easiest way to judge the health of the overall move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 13 cents would be great. However, taking a step back, looking at everything from the big picture point of view, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy here. The party stopped today right up there at about 14.5 cents, give or take a little bit. So 14.5 will be public enemy number one going forward. But from the grand scheme of things, like I said, as long as the price continues to build higher lows and build those higher bases, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building those stair steps higher, or in other words, staying above that purple line, and then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.